thought I'd continue my series of readings in Canuck. Again, reading from the same book. Once more, Levi Hymnus of Psalm No. Published by N.F. Canuck Cambron, written by a man who called himself Matt Mellon in his bardic name, otherwise known as Talek Gunwin, first published in 1962. So I think today we're going to do a psalm instead of a hymn, and I'm going to go for Psalm 67. See if I can run through the Cornish. Again, pronunciation meter is my own, mistakes are my own. I'll try and put the translation probably from the standard English translation that I can find. Yep, seven verses, and I'll make a start. Psalm 67. Dú ré bo tlútheg fenni, ha agan venigya ha disquethestin goloi faz. As one as me forth a forth when I nor, tha alos a selwa in all golas colo. Bith golchis, a thu, gans and dis, all cleansi tha walchi. An caneflo bethens loenhes an cana, yagan loana. Rag tiala blisi and pobo dele unda, ha lulia golas colo a nor. An boblo golchonens, ti, a thu, Clen tha walchi olam boblo. A nor re rosi dra vas. Du agan begias. Du avina agan begia. Clenzi aum penawan nor. Yeah, so all the ends of the earth will bend in fear. It's got quite a terrific ending, really. Yeah, I'll put the translation in the end. It's yes, asking for salvation. Anyway, there you go, another reading in Cornish, a nice short one. Psalm 67.